Okay, up to this point we've got three parts built for the clock. We have the bottom back, shelf supports, and the bottom shelf. And so this goes together pretty much like this. So we have the bottom here, and then the shelf sits in here kind of like that. And then each of these shelf supports, they'll sit in kind of like this. Whoops. And that. And that'll sit in like that. Now we'll have to, just looking at it, I can see we're going to have to do some touch-up sanding on all the different sides that are going to be glued up and stuff like that. But that's where we're at right now up to this point. We'll go ahead and cut this out now. We really only need this center section, so we'll just trim around it. Kind of like this. We don't really need that much. It's nice to keep your scrap pieces. We found one here. Looks like it was used for something else. But it's just big enough that we can fit this piece on here like that. So we'll go ahead and just draw a line right here and chop that off, and then we'll go ahead and sand it up and glue this part onto it. Checking to see which side will spin better on the base, on this plate here on the scroll saw. Yeah, I like this side better, so so we'll glue the pattern onto this side. It'll be easy to turn. Okay, let's put this on here. So get that lined up. Push that on, and now we'll proceed to cut it out. Go ahead and pull this off, and it's coming off pretty easy this time. There we go. I think the glue's kind of going bad. It's a pretty old can, at least 3-4 years old. I got to buy some new glue when I get up north next time. We'll see if we can get all the glue off of here by using this rubber block here. Okay, looks like we're done. Well, that completes that part. Now we're going to move on and do the face of the clock, and that's pretty intricate. There's going to be a lot of scroll sawing on that.